Well, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. I'm Jerry.
I'm Teresa.
Hey, and this is Levi, and this is Nolan. And the reason they're here is because I need some help. You here to help?
Yeah.
All right. It's not the kind of help that you're thinking, but yes, we are doing a major RV upgrade today, and my little helpers here are going to help us with that project. So let's jump right in and we'll talk about it. Okay, so today's project is something that we've been debating for a while. Now, everybody knows that RV ovens aren't always the greatest. They don't heat evenly. Even if you put a pizza stone in or whatever, it's just getting the temperature right. It's just never that great. We have a convection microwave and we have an air fryer, which we use
every day.
Yeah, just about every day we're using the air fryer or the convection microwave oven. But we do use the stovetop every day. The only thing we've been using our oven for is
storage. And
yeah,
that's it.
Great place to put pots and pans, but we haven't really used it for cooking. So we got on RecPro and we found the stovetop that fits right in our spot. And so we are taking out our oven and we are going to replace it with a 3-burner gas cook stove from RecPro. And we'll show you how that's done.
You got Levi.
Okay, so first things first is there was 4 screws right here, and that took, I think that's what it's going to take just to get this dislodged. We have the the Suburban, and it's 21 by 21, and so the RecPro stove that we bought is the same size. So I was trying to figure out how to get this glass cover off, but it doesn't look like it comes off. So I got the screws out. We're going to see if we can lift this out. I know we're going to have to disconnect the gas, and I don't know if they disconnected the electric, because I know that this electric doesn't work for these knobs. That when they sent us the recall, they disconnected the lighting, so I don't know if the electric works. So anyway, let's pull this out and we'll see what happens. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. Let me give those to Levi.
Yeah.
No, stay right there, Levi. Papa's gonna get them out.
Come on.
Do you want me to hold the light?
Oh, do not strip.
Hey guys.
Can I have a dent?
Here, Levi, come here. Hold this light. Okay. Right there. Okay, there's that one. Hold that. Right now. Okay, so I've turned off the gas outside, and I just ran the gas and lit the stove top just to bleed the line all the way out. And I'm going to disconnect the gas line. So what I've done is I've got the stove and oven pulled out, about 6 inches right here. And you can see what's back here now. You've got all your electric, and then your gas line is right there. So I'm going to disconnect that line right there. And it looks like I was right when they recalled for the electric problem with this Suburban stove. They've disconnected all the electric, so I don't have to worry about that. Now what I am going to do, because our plan is that we're going to build something under here to put the air fryer in. Once I do that, I'm going to have to tap into, I think, this yellow line right here and put a plug in for the air fryer. But let's get this out first, and then we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Okay, so we got the gas line disconnected from the back. All the electric's already been disconnected. So what we're gonna do now is just lift this and put it outside. Okay, so we got the stove and oven out. Kind of see what's going on back here. Put a little Ziploc bag over the gas line so that garbage can't get down in there, but we also want to use our gas leak indicator and put it up there just to make sure that we're not getting any gas. That would turn red if we were. So we don't have any gas in the lines right now. So the other thing that we wanted to check was if there was going to be an outlet, and there's one right back there, so that we could plug the air fryer in. However, that outlet is for that pedestal tower there, and so I need to convert that plug into one that will have 2 receptacles. So that's the next project. We need to do that before we put the new stove in this slot. Okay, so what we've decided to do, we've got the wiring all ready to go. We've got the plug, it's all set. We're ready to plug in the air fryer as soon as we make a little stand down here. And so what we're gonna do is we're just basically gonna make a platform and build some legs. We'll probably do that tomorrow. Build that out. But right now we're going to get the new RecPro stove cooktop and get it put on the counter and make sure that that fits good and get the gas hooked up again. And then that part of it will be done. Then it'll be just a matter of cleaning up this area right in here. All right, so this is the RecPro RPCT 173BSS. So this comes in 2 different models, stainless steel front and a black front.
So I thought we were getting the black front.
No, we got the stainless steel one.
Okay.
Only because all the cabinets are stainless steel. And the cabinet underneath is stainless steel. So all right, this should be pretty simple. So simple, it doesn't even come with instructions. So this is supposed to fit in the hole. That does not fit in the hole.
What? Oh, yeah, that does not fit in the hole.
Not even close.
We measured it.
Yeah.
Was there a bigger one?
No, this is the big. Okay, so here we are in the process. It's the next day because we had a learning curve. So what happened was when we ordered the stovetop from RecPro, we did the dimensions and it was right, except it wasn't the same size hole. And I'll show you rather than just talked about it. So the hole from the end to the end here, okay, from this end to that end. So when we ordered it, we did the inside measurements, which is what the old stove had. So when we stuck it in here, we were about a 1/2 inch short on both sides. What we did was we took our old oven, and this piece is the piece with the lip, and we just unscrewed it from the old one and then laid this inside. We took the glass that came with this one off using this existing glass, screwed it into this, and now everything's fine. What we also did down here, put some light in there, I built a shelf down here, and that's what the air fryer is going to go on. That copper line is your gas line, and what we just did was we just hooked up the gas, so this is not screwed in yet. We're not done with that yet. But what we did was we took our gas tester, got all the gas going, and checked, and we have no leaks. And I'll show you that the gas is in fact on.
Okay, right.
If you can hold that, or you could turn that on.
Yep.
Go ahead. Yep. See, it's red. So we do have gas coming through the lines, but there's nothing. But there's nothing down below. So now, the only thing we really have to do is get this screwed back in, and that will finish the installation. And then we're going to put the air fryer down in there. Now we also did a trim piece that we're going to screw in under the front here, just to kind of make it look nice. But what we did was we made sure that we had plenty of clearance, so that when the air fryer is running, we've got room for you know, the hot air to release. And by using the old frame from the old stove, it also vented the back, so that's going to be good. All right,
Let's get it all.
so let's get it buttoned up and we'll show you the finished product. All right, now let's do that side over there. There we go. Okay. Now the two on the back end. Okay, so good. So we don't even have to screw that in.
No, but we need the other piece of board. That's black.
What? Okay, so done. I think we're going to upgrade our air fryer though, because now that we see it, we have a lot more room. We've got our eye on a different air fryer that'll fit perfectly in there. But I just checked all the buttons. They're functioning properly. We did not hook up the backlights because we don't like the backlights, so we didn't hook them up. But this project is working perfect. And it's solid as Sears too. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to do projects like this in your trailer. Make it your own, and you won't regret it. All right, hey, if you have any suggestions, leave us a comment. If you think we did something wrong, we'd be glad to know what we did. But so far, nothing's blowing up, and we have no leaks. So, with that, we'll see you in the next video.